Hello and welcome to Advanced Connect web portal demonstration for prescribers. Today we'll be looking at the Advanced Connect web portal. So in order to go ahead and fill a prescription in Advanced Connect, first you need to go ahead and open a URL which would be different for different prescribers. So in order to get that URL, you need to get in touch with your pharmacy who will be helping you with the URL. The URL would normally match with the pharmacy that you're connected with. So for different pharmacy, it's going to be the pharmacy name .advrxconnect.com, and you just have to hit enter, enter the URL and hit enter, and you will get this page. So once you get this page, you need to click on login. And when you click on login, you get this option of username and password. The username and password would also be provided by your pharmacy, by the prescribing pharmacy. So you just need to enter that and log in with the password. So as of now, what I'm going to do is I'll just go and log in with the default username and password for demo purposes. And when you log in, you get this screen, which is the Advanced Connect portal, which would help you to go ahead and prescribe a medication to your patient. So basic information, it says add new prescription. So this is where you add a new prescription. This is where you search the patient on the basis of first name, last name, and date of birth. If you have all those information, add a medication, select the delivery preference, review and sign, and send the prescription to your pharmacy. So in case you have the patient's last name, first name, last name, and date of birth, which are mandatory to enter, if you have that, you can just go and enter that and search it. Or you can just click on add patient and you can start with adding a patient. You can also add a patient by add new patient from here, which is on the left hand panel. So we'll just click on add patient and first view that, and then we'll come back to the screen. So in add patient, you have different options. First, you start with patient info. You enter the last name, first name, middle name, address line 1, city, state, zip, phone. So all those which are marked with asterisk, red asterisk, are important to enter. So once you enter that, you go and save it. You can also add insurance information. Alternatively, you can add allergy information, diagnosis information. You can add billing info. You can add shipping info. Any specific remarks or notes that you want your pharmacy to know, you can enter that. If the patient has any document, you can choose to upload that from here. So once you're done with that, you can go and save the patients. So once you save the patient, then you can recall the patient in this prescription portal where you want to fill the prescription. And then you have view med history. We'll go to new prescription, filling a prescription at the end so that we finish the process with that. We can also check the med history of the patient, of those patients that you have added and you want to search. So you enter the patient's name and enter the drug class and you search it, you'll get all the information. Then you have pharmacy order queue. In pharmacy order queue, you basically see the prescription which has been filled by any of your staff or something. You can actually create username for your staff and your nurses or somebody who want to fill the prescription. You can do it from admin, manage users. You can add users from here. And you also have the clinic name in the top right hand corner. You have logout button, and then you can email us for any support. You can change the password. Here you can see the name of the doctor, by the way. So as I said, you can go and add user. The user that you add would not be able to submit the prescription to the pharmacy, but would be able to add the prescription to the pharmacy order queue. So at the end of the day, you as a prescriber has to go and verify and submit the prescription to the pharmacy so that they can go and fill it. Just to show you, this is how a prescription looks like in the pharmacy order queue, and when you hit submit, it would go to the pharmacy. We'll be going through how you can go and fill a prescription in detail once we are done with all these categories that we have. Then we have managed drug category, where you can go and create a drug category and add drugs to that category so that if you want to use that category again and again, you can use that. Similarly, you can also go and create order set, wherein you want to, if you want to go and prescribe a particular order set to the patient, you can do that. Then you can check drugs if you want to see what all drugs that you have in this portal. You can go and view drugs. Then you have a prescriber profile. This is where you're going to change your profile. If you want to change any specific details that you're not comfortable with, or you want to change that, you can go and change it. Now we'll go ahead and start with filling a prescription. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a demo patient. So what you do is, as I said, you need to have both the information, the last name and the date of birth, which obviously I have, and then you have to select. So now the patient has been selected. Now you enter the drug. So either you can go and enter the drug by entering the drug name and searching it, which is one of the options to do it. So all those drugs available in the portal will show it to you, or you can choose the drug category and it would show the drug category. So as you can see, this drug is added to this test 5 category, and you select that category. And once you select that drug, it would ask you for further details, which is quantity, refill days, DAW, auto refill, whether you want to do an auto refill for this patient, auto refill request if you want to do it for this particular patient. So I'm just going to go and fill the details. Refill is 0, let the days be 30, and the SIG is already added. If you want to add any specific medication notes, you can add that, and you click on add to queue. Once you add to queue, the color changes to yellow. That means this medication has been added to this particular prescription. Then it would ask you for delivery preference. So we use UPS and shipper for delivery. You can choose any one of them that you're comfortable with. That you can ask the patient which one he or she is preferable with, and you can choose that. Or you can just leave it blank and click on review and sign. So once you click on review and sign, this is the screen that you get, which basically is the screen that of the prescription in the pharmacy order queue. And finally, you have the option to save this order set. You can click on send to order queue, which goes to the order queue in the pharmacy order queue, or submit it. So once you submit, the prescription reaches the pharmacy and they can go ahead and fill it for you. Okay, so that was the basic details of Advanced Connect, basic demo of Advanced Connect. It's pretty self-explanatory and easy to use. In case you're looking for a more detailed demo of the product, you can always get in touch with us. 727-489-9887 is the number. Once again, 727-489-9887. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.